Johnson, we're going in!
Man, that's the first time I ever saw a Texan beat himself to the draw.
You say one word about this to the other guys, and I'll turn this thing loose on you. Don't you go blabbing either.
That machine gun's on the other side of the house. Let's go get it.
No use, Chief. You'll get yourself killed, too.
What's going on?
You'll be all right in a minute. Kovac.
Must be the same gun that got Lieutenant Manning. We better get it, Murph.
You stay right where you are. My orders were to take this house and hold it.
Why did Manning have to come back anyway?
He didn't have to come back. Guess he figured the platoon needed him.
Attacking near Easter Junction. Coordinates 418603. Situation urgent. "50 short, 200 right.
Good shooting, Lieutenant. That tank blocking the road, they can't get to us as long as the fields stay muddy. Sure wish it'd rain.